35% of the employees at Microelectronics Incorporated contribute part of their pay each month to the company's Summer Saver plan. If 49 employees contribute to this plan, how many employees work at Microelectronics Incorporated? So the two important facts are that 35% of the employees contribute and 49 employees contribute, which means 35% of the employees must be 49. So if we call the number of employees X, we can write our first statement, 35% of employees contributing, as 0.35 multiplied times X. Now that has to be the same value as the 49, which is the number of employees that are contributing. So we have 0.35x, or 35/100x, equals 49. To solve for x, we're going to divide both sides of this equation by 35/100. So we're going to end up with our 35/100x divided by 35/100, and that's going to equal our 49 divided by 35/100. So on the left-hand side of the equation, we're going to come up with our value of x. We now need to perform the operation of division on 49 divided by 35/100. So we're going to have our value of 49. We're going to be dividing by our decimal 0.35. We move our decimal point 2 places to end up with 35 as our divisor. In our dividend, we're also going to move our decimal point 2 places, and that means we're going to have to add on 2 zeros. Now we're dividing 35 into 4,900. 35 into 49 goes once. We end up with 35, and we subtract. We bring down a 0. 35 into 140 goes 4 times. We multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry a 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And we subtract and get a 0. And then notice that our 0 will come down in our last space, and we end up with 0.35 into 0 goes 0 times. And we come up with then 140 as our result. So back in our equation, we can state that our x value has to equal 140, which means that overall we end up with 140 employees.